Employee turnover costs in America are estimated to be $360 billion this year. Replacement costs can be as high as 50 to 60% of an employee's annual salary. The average millennial will have 20 jobs in their lifetime and represent nearly half the workforce in 2020. Is your organization ready? Executive coach and millennial mentor Scott Sadler can help reduce these crippling costs to your organization through understanding the millennial mindset.
The most common thing I hear from boomers and some older Xers is, I had to earn it this way, they have to earn it this way. That's not going to work anymore. If you're engaging and you're approaching them in the collaborative way that they like, they're going to be more apt to want to come to work for you. The learning that comes from engaging with young people is like no other. Educating them on how to engage in the way you do business is really critical to getting off on the right foot. Millennials are the highest volunteer generation in history. They want to know they're making a difference in the environment that they're in, wherever they are. For them, it's a lifestyle. They want that feeling all the time, and it's going to transfer into your workplace. If you're not socially conscious in your organization, your culture is not, you're probably going to be passed over when you offer jobs. And if you can figure out a way to make people feel valued, they're going to go. I don't care what generation you're in.
Scott Sadler, Millennial Mentor, helping organizations understand the millennial mindset. Schedule a free consultation or book Scott Sadler for your company today.